Whether you're looking for the perfect party appetizer or just want to throw together an easy weekend snack, these puff pastry bites are so good. They're sweet, savory, and crispy, and they bake in under 20 minutes. If you're feeding a large crowd, double this recipe. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees and lay out your puff pastry on parchment paper and sprinkle it with a little teaspoon of flour. Roll it out as big as you can. The goal is to have at least 16 squares, about 5 inches each. Cut the pastry into 16 squares. I do this by cutting 3 lines horizontally and 3 lines vertically. A pizza cutter makes it easy. And then it's time to slice up the brie into 16 thin pieces, about 1/2 inch thick. Each puff pastry square needs to be about double the size of the brie. Assembly is super easy. Place a slice of the brie in the center of each square. Top it with 1/2 teaspoon of fig jam. Sprinkle a little Italian seasoning. It will add some depth to the flavor. And then package them up by folding all 4 corners into the brie. Pinch to seal and flip each bite seam side down onto parchment paper that's on a baking sheet. They'll need a couple inches to breathe. Then you whisk an egg and brush it on top. And to add a little salty bite, sprinkle with some everything bagel seasoning. Or you could just use a pinch of salt. Pop your puff pastry bites into the oven at 400 degrees for about 18 minutes. They're ready when they're golden and puffed. When they're done before serving, you have to drizzle like a tablespoon of honey over the top. While they're still warm, it's so good. And there you have it. Puff pastry brie fig bites. These are perfect for a party, game day, or a holiday. But honestly, when I have a sheet of puff pastry in the fridge, these are so easy to pull together for a weekend snack. If you like easy recipes, make sure to sign up for my Foodie Fridays email at sipbitego.com. You can also print this recipe there. See you in the next video.